Precision actuators execute microsecond-timed movements. Vision systems guide intelligent decisions, transforming industrial capabilities.
The deployment sequence is initiating. Monitor the actuator feedback.
Calibration stable. We are within optimal operating parameters.
Target acquisition complete. Validation sequence finished.
Confirmed. Deployment successful. All protocols green.
Adaptive algorithms confirm full redundancy. Verification complete.
Excellent. The safety systems are fully operational.
Network stability holding steady during the stress test.
Automation protocols confirmed. We have successful deployment parameters.
Our smart manufacturing systems utilize cutting-edge equipment for machine learning model training and validation, ensuring operational excellence.
The AI-certified performance metrics are stabilizing. Operational excellence maintained throughout deployment. Automation protocols fully implemented.
As the system accelerates through the integration protocols, the predictive models analyze performance metrics, ensuring operational excellence.
Advanced sensor integration and calibration procedures are validated using cutting-edge engineering equipment.
Initiate testing protocol sequence Gamma 9.
Sequence initiated. Monitoring actuator feedback. Efficiency standards nominal.
Our advanced automation protocols ensure operational excellence throughout the intelligent systems deployment.
The motion planning refinement is showing peak efficiency.
Sensor fusion stabilization is holding steady at 98%.
Our adaptive learning algorithms ensure safety redundancy systems are installed and verified efficiently. The debugging sequence cleared the integration error, rerunning automation protocols.
Confirmed. Systems are responding within industrial-grade reliability standards.
Motion control precision is confirmed.
The communication network test protocols show stable metrics.
System integration looks good. Predictive maintenance is fully synchronized.
Confirmed. Automation protocols are a go for final acceptance testing.
Throughput efficiency is up 15% utilizing the new protocols.
Excellent. That confirms the sustainable automation model.
The sensor array validation is complete, but the precision automation needs adjustment here.
Acknowledged. Implementing the advanced protocol update now.
From adaptive learning algorithms to safety verification, we ensure operational excellence throughout the intelligent systems deployment process. Validation metrics are green across the board.
Control software integration confirmed. Operational excellence achieved.
Calibration sequence initiated. Gripper tolerance is nominal. Vision alignment confirms precise positioning on the end-effector. The efficiency optimization protocols are significantly improving throughput.
This confirms operational excellence across all deployment stages. Implementing advanced automation protocols ensures predictive maintenance excellence, maximizing operational efficiency across the board.
Look at the data visualization on screen 3. The protocols are stabilizing.
Confirmed. System deployment looks good.
The system acceptance test results confirm operational excellence.
The advanced automation protocols are performing exactly as expected. The integration sequence is complete.
Adaptive intelligence capabilities confirmed. We have operational excellence.
The sequence highlights our autonomous platforms implementing advanced automation protocols, ensuring operational excellence. Adaptive learning algorithms are synchronizing safety redundancy systems installation and verification, ensuring operational excellence.
Rerunning the diagnostics on the central framework now.
The error logs cleared on the last pass. We should be good to deploy.
Utilizing cutting-edge engineering equipment, we integrate computer vision for precise end-effector customization and gripper calibration. Automation protocols confirmed. Network latency is negligible.
Excellent. Full system deployment authorized.
This sequence optimizes the pathfinding algorithm. See how the latency dropped here?
Right, that improves the overall efficiency significantly.
The predictive maintenance systems are showing green.
Excellent. Initiating final system integration and acceptance testing now.
We are showing mission-critical accuracy on the sensor calibration.
Confirmed. Initiating deployment protocols now.
The advanced automation protocols are maintaining optimal performance metrics.
Excellent. We can proceed with the full system deployment as planned. Motion control precision is at 99.7%.
Predictive maintenance indicators are green across the board.
Implementing these advanced automation protocols ensures sustainable practices.
The actuator assembly passed the initial stress test. Good.
Let's deploy the advanced automation sequence for final calibration.
Automation protocols online. The computer vision system is synchronized.
Confirmed. Validation successful across all parameters.
Actuator response time is stable.
Initiating autonomous navigation sequence now.
Confirmed. Deployment protocols are green across the board.
Implementing advanced automation protocols ensures predictive maintenance excellence, maximizing operational efficiency.
The validation protocols show 99% accuracy in the simulated environment.
Excellent.
The benchmarking data confirms the synchronization is working.
Excellent. Let's push the continuous improvement protocols to the factory floor deployment. Through comprehensive validation testing, We verify safety protocols and benchmark performance.
We're here looking at the live demonstration. How is this impacting the industry?
It's transformative. The precision and efficiency metrics you see here show the future of automation.
Pushing firmware update to Fleet 7.
Confirmed. Diagnostics show green across the board. Optimal operation achieved.
Future Innovation Roadmap presenting next-generation AI enhancements, advanced sensor technologies in development, improvements. This curriculum covers everything from basic programming to advanced system integration.
The hands-on experience is